Hi everybody, my name's Stuart Snedden with HBI. I'm the Business Services and Tax Manager here at Harding Bell International. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the tax implications of becoming a US tax resident. So firstly, do you know if you're a US tax resident? The way in which you would know this would be that you would fall into one of these three categories. You could either be a US citizen, a US green card holder, or you've spent enough days in the United States to pass what's known as a substantial presence test. The minute that you become a US tax resident, your obligations to report worldwide income and to make informational disclosures for non-US assets take effect. So regardless of where you make any sort of income or whether it's earned or unearned income, you have an obligation to report and pay tax on this income to the IRS. So regardless of whether you have interest in a different country or whether you have maybe some salary that is earned overseas, you have an obligation and a requirement to report this to the IRS. While there are many ways for us to prevent and avoid double taxation here in the US, there's still the requirement to report this income. Some of the ways in which we can minimize tax in the US for overseas income is by utilizing the foreign tax credit, foreign income exclusion, or by using one of the numerous income tax treaties that the United States has with countries all over the world. The second area that I really want to touch on today is a little bit about informational disclosures for non-US assets. So if you have a bank account, if you have rental property, if you have mutual funds or pensions that are held outside of the US, there's a reporting obligation to the IRS on an annual basis with your income tax return. Although many of these reporting requirements don't incur any additional tax, it's extremely important that you're being compliant because willful neglect to submit these forms can result in extremely high monetary penalties, some of which as high as $25,000 per year, and in extreme circumstances can even have criminal issues. So it's really important to make sure that you're working with a tax advisor that's well versed in these situations. If you need any assistance with any tax planning or income tax preparation, then please feel free to reach out to us here at Harding Bell International. You can follow us on social media, you can reach out to us by phone, or stop by one of our 4 offices here in Central Florida. It's been good speaking with you. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Thanks.